Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday the 10th of May 2016. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, see a discrepancy here in the signals. I know one or two of you reported this back to support as well, and I don't know why, but this buy signal yesterday wasn't actually filled at the time, and I'll just show you this because I do record every day's price action in a separate video, and you can see here as I just move the timeline along, we did have the buy signal, no doubts about that, but we didn't get the order filled. It came close but then failed to do so, and then we ended up with the short signal, which you then see continue on down here. So I didn't get this buy signal yesterday that's appeared suddenly this morning. Now this can happen for two reasons. One, the MT4 ETX MT4 actually connects to a different server that has data that's slightly different. This can happen in trading. It's happened for the last 25 years that I have been trading, and you can also get a bad tick that gets corrected by the exchange and then put out as well. Of course, the spread betting companies have their own algorithms, but again, they're still known for correcting and changing the data, or correcting the data as well. So that's the reason for that. I didn't get it yesterday in real time, as you saw. I don't know whether you did or not. If somebody wants to let me know, then we'll certainly look into it, because as you can see from the recorded video there, that I didn't actually get it. So then I had the sell signal, which went on to make 20 odd points. Didn't get the rest of this trade because the market only traded down to the 17,700 level. Then in the evening we had a sell signal. We started off with this one, which is here, but then we got a second consecutive sell signal there, which would take precedence, and that one just trading down to the 20-point scalp there. And then just to finish off the day, we had a buy signal there as they brought the market back. No surprise there, to finish off with another 20 points there, even trailing the stop as the market drove through there. And if you trail the stop after driving through the actual scalp target, you'll see it brings you back to the scalp figure there. In the daily chart, we can see prices are starting to move back to the upside, well, attempting to, certainly on the overnight. Yesterday they were moved back to the downside, but the market very sideways at the moment, and we have been now for the 5th day in succession there. So it's a very interesting pattern that's developing here, that the market will have to break out one way or the other. The problem is, at the moment we don't have much news around, apart from Dudley speaking at 8:15 a.m. this morning, so that will be well and truly out of the way. And then we've got the JOLTS job numbers at 3 p.m. so a very quiet day news wise, and this can add to the market being directionless as well for the main trading session at 2 p.m. So just to give you a heads up and a warning that unless something else comes out, this market could be fairly sideways for today's session. And finally, on the implied volatility, well, not much change from Friday's session. Monday, the implied volatility sideways as well, along with the underlying market. So if this pulls back, that's great. But again, we're still in an area where we can expect to see some volatility breakout in this market. At the moment, it's all being held together with a few sticking plasters. There's no way they're going to let it fall apart if they can help it, and that's what we're seeing at the moment. So there is volatility to come, because we always get it when we get down to these levels. The market can't sustain this, so it's just a matter of being patient until it actually breaks out of this sideways move that we're seeing in the underlying market. Right, that's it for today. If there's anything else, I will let you know later today. Other than that, thanks for watching, also for your support. See you in the next one.